kazi rakaviga mambo Chano. Every crack becomes a big crack when we ignore it. Listen, this one is for tomorrow. Blessed are the hands that give. Mawoko anopa haperi simba. But while we clap and celebrate, we dance for today's emotion. Tichikanganwa ramangwana revana. So I ask you, my brother, my sister, what future are we building? Achavhara Gomba Ndiyani, Gomba na mwana. Every child is our child. If we live today unfinished, who will save them from falling? Plant good seeds for tomorrow. Nerudo ne unja cheri go wairaka biga mambo. For the future listens carefully. Nika inovakwa nerudo neruzibo. Not by chance, but by courage and vigilance. Laughing with empty stomachs, public speeches grow louder, but the pit keeps growing. True struggles to breathe, appearance replaces substance. Go mori botere kwaramago, by it still the children wait. Then came a man who dives where others fear, while the crowd debates on the shore. Not for fame, not for wealth, but because grief needed courage. They call him Coach Rambo, a rescuer beneath troubled waters, returning loved ones home. A reminder that heroes are ordinary people who choose to act. Achavhara Gomba Ndiyani. If not us, then who can? As we cities without any, may we raise builders, not spectators, guardians, not commentators. May compassion outrun applause, and responsibility outrun convenience. Plant good seeds for tomorrow, because the inheritance we leave will either be a bridge or our children fall into the pity. God bless the givers, God bless the healers, God bless the teachers, God bless the guides.